Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about charge items, how we can set up the charge items in Business Center, and what is a charge item, right? And what you need to consider is every service that you can add as a cost when you buy something like freight, insurance, what more you can add here. Okay, I think this is administrative cost. Everything that every expense that you can be charged when you buy an item. And also you can do this when you sell your product. So you can also charge your customers, adding the insurance cost, the freight cost, and other expense that for your company is important and that you want to add in a purchase or in a sales document. Please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and see how we can create this charge item. So in Business Central, you have to go until the charge item setup and then create these charge items. So you can find here in the inventory, but also in the sales, or to make this process more simple, you can just search the item charge. So let's click here and see what kind of charge item we have here. So let's go to edit mode, and here you can see that we have this freight that is a specific freight. We have the allowance, we have the freight again, but in this case is just for the purchase process. We have the restock charge, and also you can see here that in order to make this process easy, we have the letter P, that means the charge items that we use for purchase, and the letter S, the charge item that we will use in our sales document. So I think it's a good example about what kind of item charge we can have, and what we need to do here is add the code for the item charge, then the description that need to be clear for the user to select this correctly, and then you add also the general product posting group, because every time that you select this item charge in a purchase document or in a sales document, you need to recognize this value as expense, right? So so here you select this. Also in the other case, you recognize this as revenue if it's in a sales process. Also, you need to select here what is your tax group code. You can also select what is the VAT product posting group. You can add a search description, and this is basically what we need to do in order to create the charge item in Business Center. So now let's go how how we can use these in a purchase document and then in a sales document, just for you to have idea. So let's close here and check how we can use this. So first, let's go in a purchase order. Takes some time. So here, let's create a new. Okay, I will select one vendor. Let's select Fabricant. Let's already add the invoice number. And here I will select one item. Okay, we already have the value. I will keep like that, and then let's check how you can select the charge item. So you have here the option charge item. What you need to do is just select this. Then the system will offer you the option. Let's see that he will be free. Okay, the description is clear. Let's put here for both, in this case 1, in this case 1. Okay, and in this case I will say that my charge item is 100. Okay, so our charge item was added in our purchase document. You can see here that the value was increased, right? So let's go here just for you to check. You can check this in the subtotal. And then what you need to do here, I am in a charge item, so let's click here in line and assign this charge item here. Okay, so here you can see that I have one quantity and then the value of my charge item. So here what you can do is click here in suggest item charge assign, and then they will assign based on the quantity. So you can see here that now quantity to assign, quantity to handle, so my charge item was assigned. So we are good to go here, and what we need to do here is just post the document now. So let's go back. My item was assigned, and what I need to do is post this document. So let's post. Okay, the document was posted. Let's check, especially the charge item, right? You can see here that we have the miscellaneous and the value. And if you go here in the file entries, we can see this value in the GL entry. So our first line here, 100, is our charge item. You can see by the post general prod and post group that is service, and our item is retail. and what you can check more here. So let's go back. You can go to the value entry, just for us to check the impact is in our item. So in this case here, if you consider the cost of this item is basically the value of the item plus the charge item. Okay, here you can see this, and maybe to make this process more clear, let's go here, charge item, let's go to this item. Okay, we have, so here what I will do, Control F7 just to go to the movement, and then I can show you this posting. So I assume here that is our last posting. You can see for the value, the cost account, cost amount actual, and if you click here, you will be able to see the two lines, right? So the item cost and the free. Okay, this process is similar in the sales document. We can go to a sales document and execute the same just to check how this process works. So let's go back. Okay. In this case here, let's go to the sales process. So let's go to one sales order. Let's create a new. Okay, let's select this first customer. Let's put here show less. The only thing that I will do here is select one item. Okay, let's use the same. Okay, I will add quantity 1. We already have the price, so I will not. Let's see, let's change to 2000. And then I will let this line as comment. And here I will add our charge item. The process is the same. You select the line type as charge item, and then you go here and select one charge item that is for sales. Okay, I will put the same. Let's see that he will charge 200, and then the process is basically the same that when we post a purchase order. You have to go to the line. Okay, here in relation information, and you will click here in item. The process also is basically the same. You can go and say item charge, suggest item charge. The system will do based here in the quantity, and then you just have to close and post this sales order. Okay, I want to ship an invoice, and then let's check the GL entries and also the cost of this item. In this case, this process will not affect the cost of the item, of course, but let's check how. Okay, so let's go to GL entry and let's see here. So would be this line. You can see here that we have 200. And as you can see here, we are posting this in a different account, but is a income sales, right? That is different from my item. That if I click here, is income product sales. Okay, and then let's check this in terms of value entry. So we have here, okay, he is basically my sales amount, as you can see here, but this doesn't have any impact in terms of cost, right? Because the cost is basically what I have in my stock. Okay, this is how you can create the charge item in Business Central, how you can post. Please let me know if you have any question. Just add your comments and subscribe my channel if you have any questions. So thank you and see you next video.